Hello, everyone. I am Melanie, and you are watching Mama's Fluent English. Today, we are talking about your brain. Is your brain important for English? Yes, it is very important. To learn a language, your brain needs fuel. Let's look at how to help your brain and improve your memory. Look at this student. He is trying to study, but he feels confused, cannot focus. Do you ever feel like this? Sometimes we forget words because our brain is tired. Oh. When our brain is tired, learning is difficult. First, let's talk about hydration. Your brain is mostly water. Is it 10% water? No, it is about 75% water. If you don't drink water, you will feel foggy. So drink a big glass of water before you study. Now your brain is awake. Next, we have healthy fats. Look at the avocado, the walnuts, the salmon. These foods contain omega 3. Is omega 3 bad for you? No, it is excellent. These fats help your brain cells to connect. When cells connect, your memory improves. Do you want a better memory? Then eat more healthy fats. Do you like fruit? Blueberries and strawberries are not just delicious, they are brain protectors. They protect your brain from stress. Does sugar protect your brain? No, it doesn't. But berries do. Eat a bowl of berries while you listen to English. And don't forget your vegetables. Spinach and kale are very powerful. They help the blood flow to your head. When your brain has good blood flow, you have more energy. Is spinach only for muscles? No, it is for your brain too. Here is some good news. You can eat chocolate, but it must be dark chocolate. Dark chocolate helps you focus. It helps you stay in the zone while you study. Is white chocolate good for focus? No. Choose the dark chocolate. Now look at this. This is sugar. Does sugar help you study? No. Sugar gives you quick energy for 10 minutes and then you crash. Avoid too much sugar. Avoid candy, donuts, and soda. They make your brain slow. Your brain wants real fuel, not candy. So, what is the best routine? First, get your water. Second, have a healthy snack like walnuts or blueberries or both. Third, open your English book or English video. Now you are ready to study. When you eat well, your study time is productive and you learn much more. Are you ready to study now? Yes? Watch more videos. I hope these tips help your English journey. Remember, I was a nutritionist in my past career, and I know how these foods work. If you like this video, please click subscribe. Eat well and keep practicing your English. See you next time.